Yo, what's up, homies? All right, we're in the car right now. Let's just make sure this thing isn't freaking shaking like all over the damn place, all over the damn place. All right, so hopefully you could tell by the title, but hold on, let me just move it with my chin just a little bit. We're gonna be doing a DJI Mavic Mini comprehensive review. I've already used it a couple of times, just kind of like figuring it all out and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of a rundown. I'm going to be giving you guys a review on this little drone right here. It's got this nice little camera. Not little, I mean, it's a little camera, but it's really nice. Let's go do a few flights and I'll just like show you guys some footage and then let you guys know all the facts. So you guys just barely saw some of that footage. I think it was pretty good. Okay, so that was the third time that I've actually flown the drone, and I think it's definitely super easy. There's a little mode on the app when you first download it and you're just barely learning how to fly it, where like after you just barely created your account, you can choose, you don't have to, but you can choose to either go start in learning mode or in like baby mode. Learning mode is even like easier than baby mode. Learning mode, literally it will automatically go up. Like you press this button, you press and hold it, and the button automatically makes the drone start flying, and it hovers at about like eye level, at least to me, and I'm 5'10", so it's like a few feet up in the air, and then it tells you to go like, this is the controller. So you open the little bottom pieces like this. Okay, so you put your phone in just like this. It won't work because my case is on, so let's take the case off. Okay, so you take your phone and you just slide it in just like this. See how easy I just slid in? Now it's just holding up like this. And then right here, if you can see that, you just plug this little piece in. Okay, and then your phone pretty much just sits like this, and you can see the screen. So then you go to your DJI Fly app and you open it up, and it looks pretty much just like this. You have the little antennas out like this, and then you pretty much just see what your camera sees. So while I was flying it, I mean, this is what I saw. This is exactly what I saw. I just barely took that, and this is how you control it. I think personally that the app is super easy to use. I think the DJI did a great job with this. It is a little annoying just because I live kind of close to an airport, so I do have to like fill out this form that says I won't fly it in the airport or anything like that, which I think keeps both of us safe. I think it keeps DJI safe and it keeps me safe from getting in trouble and all that kind of stuff. So, you know, I think that, yeah, it's a little bit hard to do. Like, it's just like you go online and you like fill this form and all this kind of stuff. But I think that after that's done, other than that, I think it's super clean, super nice. The controller's super good. It's super durable. I mean, like, I don't think I've dropped it, but I mean, I think it's super nice. Now, the drone, the actual drone piece, I think that it's amazing. It's got the brushless motors. It's got, you know, all the bells and whistles, everything that you could ever want. And I would say it would fit in maybe an adult size hand. My hands are not that big, but I'm trying to hold it up with one hand. This is the size of the drone. It's about like a little bit bigger than my hand with the blades. And all you do is you just take this little piece off, and then the drone is free to move, like all the pictures and cameras. You have the little SD card, and you have the charging port. The charging port is the same as the GoPros, so that, I mean, that's pretty cool. You can just use one cord for everything, and if you have a Samsung, then you can use the same cord to charge your phone as well. You only need one cord. If you have an Apple, well, then you might need 6 cords. I'm just kidding. But yeah, I think the design's super nice. I'd say it's pretty light, it's pretty durable. I mean, these things they're not like loose, but like they just make noise. So like, you know, if you go like this, it's gonna make noise no matter what. But I think it's super clean. I think it's definitely 110%. This bad boy is definitely worth the price. You get what you buy. That's pretty much what I know. That's what a lot of people understand, but some people don't understand that. You buy what you get, and when you're buying with the DJI, you definitely get what you buy. You definitely get the good price. You definitely get a good product. It has great battery life. It's got like, I think it's got like 45 minutes or 35 minutes. I don't remember the exact amount, but if you're not like using, like flying all around, if you're just like hovering and getting a video, it lasts even longer. So I think it's super clean, super easy to use, and I would say I'd give this about a 9 out of 10, just because, you know, you have to like fill out the forms and all this kind of stuff of like everything that you had like set up in the app, and it was just like, it wasn't hard, but it just kind of like, it was time consuming, and I've had easier, better like app experiences. I don't know, I just kind of wanted to like get right into it, but I had to like do all these safety things and all this kind of stuff. So like that's just like my preference, even though the safety things keep us both safe, which is a good thing. It just kind of like was a little bit hard. So yeah, I would say that this is a definite yes from me. It's definitely, I would say it's a good drone. This is not sponsored. I had one video that people won't shut up in my house. I had a video do good that everybody's like, oh, this is sponsored, but I don't know what's going on with that video. Not even going to talk about it, honestly, just because it doesn't matter. But this video is not sponsored or affiliated with DJI in any way. If they did give me a deal or gave me like any kind of money or anything like that, then I would say that, and I would tell you guys that. I just thought, you know, I just barely bought this drone. I bought it with my own money. Well, actually, me and my dad, we got it, but still same thing. And, you know, I just thought I would show you guys, like, how, if I'm going to be able to make better clips and better content, and I think I will. So, yeah, this video, again, is not sponsored by DJI. I wish it was, but it's not. That would be cool, but it's not. So, hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. All right, adios, homies.